Wi-Fi disconnects frequently Windows 11. If your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Windows 11, don't worry, I'll show you easy solutions to fix this issue. Sometimes a simple restart fixes the issue, so simply turn off your Wi-Fi router and unplug it for 30 seconds. Restart your Windows 11 PC, turn the router back on and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi still disconnects, move on to the next step. Next step is to forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network. Simply click the Wi-Fi icon in the taskbar and select Network and Internet Settings. Now simply go to Wi-Fi and tap on Manage Known Networks. Here what you need to do is just select your Wi-Fi network, then click Forget and simply reconnect by entering your Wi-Fi password again. This refreshes your connection and remove any conflicts. Now let's disable power saving for Wi-Fi adapter. Windows might be turning off your Wi-Fi to save power. Let's disable that. Just press Windows plus X, then select Device Manager. Now from there, expand Network Adapters. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Go to Power Management tab at the top. Simply uncheck Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Click OK and restart your PC. This ensures Windows doesn't disconnect to Wi-Fi to save battery. Now next step is to update or reinstall Wi-Fi drivers. Outdated or corrupted Wi-Fi drivers can cause disconnections. Let's update them. Right click on your Start menu and simply select a device manager from the options. Expand network adapters. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and simply select update driver. You can choose search automatically for drivers. If updating doesn't work, you can reinstall the driver as well. Just repeat the process for each and every option. Now, if none of the fixes worked, resetting your network settings will restore everything to default. To do that, what you need to do is press Windows plus I to open settings. Go to Network and Internet and simply scroll down and find Advanced Network Settings. Now scroll down and click Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and restart your PC. This will remove all saved networks, so you'll need to reconnect manually. And that's it. Hopefully one of these solutions helped you fix Wi-Fi disconnection issues in Windows 11.